Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Igama lami ngiJosie, I'm a storyteller. Ngikhuluma izinto ezenzekile life. Ufuna isigaxa senzeke empilweni yakho ungakhona ukushare the next person. Unga-inbox ku TikTok, then ngizokuthumela inamba la ungathumela khona isitori sakho, then mina ngize nendlebe, wena uze nendaba, then ngize ngapha ke ngizothulela isitori sakho kubalaleli bethu then bakuphi advice ukuthi moving forward ungayenza kanjani. Hey. Mbalele usisi lana usisi uri awushozi ke kuphela thuso ngicela uncedo ke hlakahlakane ngayenza ama stupid decisions ngisesemncane now I'm older like they are catching up nami. Okay, usisi uthi awushozi thina sikhulise umamkhulu, the reason being umama ikithithu umama mayozala ubhuti wami omncane washona esibedlela yozala, so sabe siwela under iwing kamamkhulu ke uri awushozi umamkhulu Yesu siphila iphahla over our heads, but umuntu lo ozokwenza ukuthi ufeel ukuthi uyintandana unabazali. Yabona uthi bekanali those jabs bekakhanda ukuzisho ukuthi no ngicabanga ukuthi phela ngiyenzame ngabe ngasimngabeni ngekhola uthi bekathanda ukusho kanjalo. But awushozi luckily for me ngaba umntwana ukuthi ngithanda isikolo, like ngithanda isikolo because of bengibona ukuthi ayikho enye into engakhupha ngayo beside ukuthi ngizifunde incwadi zami. But awushozi ngivele ngasithandela incwadi ngafunda vele ngafunda kahle. Or awushozi mina zangajola like mangena high school because of I was that girl osinangiselo. Athi uyazi ukuthi high school bakhona uku classify hore okutswa ko lapha ngelejwami uri like ngoyana olohlala obashile ungachine izini wena uhlala hlangahlangene, so azange be another thing ukuthi ngiyajola high school. The only thing lebanzi bakano regret abo mem bebangbiza ukuthi ngiphethe woman because of like ngizobuza ama homework ngizobuza ama assignment. I was that girl, so uthi awushoza imatric yami ngayifunde ke ngicede uthi awushoza iphase kahle ngama distinctions or ke phase gabotse hayi ngi-apply uthi awushoza bangivumeke and la bang accept khona university. I wanted university sekudeni nala ngivela khona because bengasafuni ukuzi associate ne treatment kamamkhulu. But okay, awushozi hayi bang-accepte esikoleni mabang-accepta esikoleni awushozi I packed everything ekungiyamisha ukuthi no what la ngize ngizobuya December ngasihlekisa buyile yabona. The only thing ngizoyenza ngizothumela umntwana osekithi from i-allowance yami imali. Uthi hayi awushozi ke ngibheke ngipake hayi ngihambeke hayi ngifike ngithole rest awushozi urgidule ko reseni hayi vele impilo vele continue ke life ke. Uthi hayi first month, second month, third month sengiyaqala phela sengiyajwayela ukuthi ngi-independent ngipheka into engiyifunayo ke shadi beke batla ngikate ngabani ngikhona ukuzithengela izimpahla bekachale the allowance yanafsas yabona. Uthi awushozi okay masiya ku June around June mina no guys siyaqala ke sesiba together. Ura awushozi kulobona okabangwana wahola usayitsebi soft life like ezintweni eziningi uzodideka uzodisrupteka empilweni even if so mdala uzodisrupteka because of nakho hotse soft life ke sayitsebi and uguy lena like beka financially right angafani nami. Uthi uguy like bekazongithathanisa ama-out rehlatsa ama concert or awushozi like ngazi ngangenele ngaminze ethandweni amthanda umuntu bekangenzela everything angifuna yenze inwele angiphi imali. Uthi okay uguy like bengimbona ukuthi asi labafana labo ukuthi angadlala ngami ngiyabona because like behamba nami even nasesikolweni like beyasangihide yabona. So I relationship yethu ibe mnandi. Or awushozi sometimes uhlala feel kanti uzoba nama parts lawo impilo yakho la uba khona stupid uthatha ama stupid decisions khona. Or awushozi mina no guy sihlanganile izingubo awushozi kibe pregnant but nginganotice same time ukuthi I'm pregnant isikhathi siye awushozi nako eya hayi uthi it was around October nako hayi ngifole pregnant isikhathi saya anginotice ukuthi kunama changes emzimbeni wami. Now sekhela anginotice because of the stress siyabhala ke nale stress that's why ke sabone dinako tsaka I'm stressed out. I'm not thinking ukuthi I might be pregnant, no. Or I was just isikhathi sihambe siyabhala siyaqeda okay uthi mina I'm going home. Ngithi uya home kuphi yabona. Uthi no I'm going home outside the country, ifamily yami ihlala outside the country so I'm going home. Uthi ngithi uguy ngithi hayi nami ngibele ekhaya ngifuna ubona like my younger brother dala ngamboni. Hayi uthi uguy angiphi imali or amfe 1.5 arutho tsamaya hayi utsamaye shapo re tla bona na gerbo but sizo communicator ngama phone or awushozi sharp. hayi uthi hayi sihambeke uthi awushozi sihambe sike festive bano all festive so uthi awushozi ngiyacala like ngiyagula nyana like nokugula engak-understand ke lo manje ngiyagula ngiyanyabuka uthi awushozi hayi the following day ngigeza ke ngiye-town lokuthi ngifuna ukuthenga nama-pregnancy test or ke drop on ke pregnancy test ukuthi ngizitheste ngise-toilet ke e-town mangithesta avele athi positive or ke ska believe or ngidecide ukuthi no what let me call uGuy ngifonela uGuy yemona kusona so I think ukuthi I'm pregnant now I'm a pregnancy test uGuy was like no go to the doctor uconfirm ube sure uthi uGuy vele angithumele imali immediately or awushozi ikene vele ke ha doctor udoctor vele aconfirm awushozi I'm 4 months pregnant or awushozi facially body wise bengakhombi ukuthi ngipregnant but amabele wami like bekamakhulu so like ikithi they were like oh inghleli kamnandi unonile uthi benginonile uthi like ngintomazane neziboni isikhulu so uthi ibunzami bezinkulu like I didn't have stomach isikhombayo ukuthi no like khona lengwana but like my body bekinale matswele like marawa kalamakima wona so like everyone thought ukuthi no ngigame iweight now even myself I told myself ukuthi I can gain iweight but the fact ukuthi bengabona ama periods iyengididile yabona well I was remember mina ngikhule without a mother so I don't know ama changes with pregnancy I can see video zingada uthi hayi mangibuya vele ngitshela uGuy ukuthi no swenza kanjani uGuy was like no sisu singikhulu ngasikhiphi ngazo ushone yabona so mina ngizotshela umndeni wami decide ukuthi pregnant and then they will see ukuthi how can they assist us yabona alright awushozi ibe kanjalo ke uthe ngithi ngabatsheli uthi ngamtsheli umamkhulu wami ungatsheli umuntu we secret yami to keep uthi hayi uJanuary ashaya or awushozi befuthi bengijahile nokuthi ngijike uthakijike awushozi ke bele ko rest or awushozi ke attend ke ngijekele pregnant ngiyenza secret ngabatsheli sikithi nalabe ngifundela khona sekudena sekithi bengala even a family or even if umuntu wasesigodini lokuya nami esigodini siwani akhona uthi hayi awushozi isikhathi isikhathi ukuthi ngiteta sifike ke uGuy angibuza ukuthi ngiyenza kanjani ngitshe ukuthi I'm not going to tell abazali bami like batongikuba ke lobona so I don't know ukuthi ngiyenza kanjani ngiyasaba yabona awushozi ngibeke uGuy phansi ngimchazele situation yasekithi ukuthi kwenzakalani and phela now sengisondela ukuthi ngizoteta so I cannot choice siwenza kanjani uGuy athi yazi mina ngikhulise umamncane wami umamami washona kudala so ngizokhuluma naye ngimuza ukuthi uthini but already they know ukuthi wena pregnant so I will ask her if angathatha umntwana amkhulise na and then from there we'll take it from there okay hayi vele uGuy khulume vele nomamncane akho umamncane avume athi umntwana makaqeda uzala uzomlanda ahambe naye outside the country alright awushozi ubrothers umntwana zalo ubrothers sibe ukuthi sihlanganisa amaphepha ukuthi umntwana khona uthola amaphepha ukuthi akhona ukuphuma la eSouth Africa or awushozi I was young and ngaje ukuthi angifuna disappointa umamkhulu wami ngimuphe something to talk about uthi ngashela ukuthi you know what this is ngiyayithatha if kuyabheda phambili ngizoyimela or awushozi kilobona ukene chorus ubele ngwana or chorus or I was the talk of the university that time ngibe nomntwana immediately mangiphuma esibedlele uGuy wabhuka indawo just for us to sleep umamncane khona uza ngapha azolanda umntwana or I was choosing it was a hard decision to make but I had no choice because bengafuna ukuthi ngibele ekhaya ngibele nomntwana instead ukuthi ngibele ne-certificate or degree yami alright I was choosing isikhathi sihambe ke umamncane afike alanda umntwana amaphepha sakalungile hayi umamncane angiphi contact number yakhe umamncane abantu like umuntu omdala kasi like umamncane lo umncane abantu abangazi amafoni abangazi ama-WhatsApp yabona izinto ezinjalo but umamncane angitshela athi mina ngizomkhulisa umntwana nesengiqeda isikolo ngizomlanda sengicedile or mawufuna ukuza uza kukhapha ke angisho uza kukhapha ke ubhuti ukuthi uzobona umntwana okay kube idone deal umntwana bamthathe nami ke ngijike ngibile esikoleni uGuy naye aconcentrate abile esikolweni usisi sothi Nthabiseng uri awushozi life man siqhubeke ngempilo umntwana uyacontinue uphila noma mncane ngiyafona then mangifona ngiyamuza uyakhala ku background uthi mina vele no Simon ubrothers ke uSimon mina no Simon siyazwana kumnandi like siya concentrate incwadini Simon nebekayenzela stay yakhe beyenza i-last year yakhe, and then mina begidira second year. Athi unyaka vele uphushe uSimon athi yimi athi ngoba manje igolo sizovala ngoDecember, ngizotshela umama mncane ese ngapha, because mina I was asking uSimon ukuthi no ngizohamba nawe ekini ngiyobona umntwana. uSimon was like no, ngizotshela umama mncane ase ngapha alithi umntwana nonongikhontra umntwana umisekini kini bayabona umntwana. Ura usuzike hame kere no, mina ngizohamba ekithi ngilinde ukuthi ngicede ukufunda kuqala, mangithola i-degree yami esandleni ila ngizohamba khona nomntwana. But for now I just want to hide the fact ukuthi nomntwana ekithi. Angifuni ukuthi bangingenelele ukuthi hey bangithumele esikoleni kanti ngine emadodeni. Angifuni ukuthi ngimchazele i-situation engishiye ekhaya. Uthi hayi uSamweni angabe nenkinga. Athi okay no, it's fine ke, I'll find a place la ngaboya khona for 7 days, and then umama mncane aze ngaphi nomntwana, then uzobona umntwana, and then from there uzoyini nathi nasijike nomntwana. Sharp ibe kanjalo ke. Hayi Simon vele afune indlu abukhe for 7 days sizobona umntwana. Umama mncane like alright, umuntu alright, umuntu omdala alright, kungabi nenkinga. I was just appreciate like the way bankerela ngikade ngidilo ibe nomntwana, like umntwana ufana nobabakhe, i-life ibe right. Hayi uthi after le 7 days hayi ke mina ngihambe ke ngikithi. Mangifike kithi hayi life man, i-life ukuthi ibe futhi ngize ngibuye masinga decide esikolweni because of ke baxobala Simon ayibuye masinga. Uthi hayi ngihambe ekhaya ngibuye ngapha ke. uSimon sekaqedile phela yena next year habo lesikolo, so sizospenda isikhathi together. Or awushozayi unyaka vele umunye 30 ke manje uqaleke. Or awushoza ngiphasa kahle, I don't want to lie, ngiconcentrate esikolweni but ngiconcentrate still kumgayo. Uthi ugaye ke kube ukuthi unyaka mawuqala athi yimi athi no khona la ayekhona interview last year, so bamphumisa something ngari batomunqa what. Hayi uthi okay, athi angitshela athi ngoba isekudeni nala, like it's about 3 hours la bambisa khona. So angitshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi usiphathe kahle, think about umntwana wethu, ungenzi into snacks yabona. Or awusozivele kanti vele bamithi nyaka mawuqala vele hamba uqala that side. Hayi mina ngisaleke esikolweni ngathi banongisise ngithoma uba lonely because of sengijwayele ukuthi ngiphila nalomuntu akasekho. During the day la sebenzela khona, like asebenzi ngefoni, uyithatha makashayisa or ngizomthola during lunch time kilobona. I was choosing as a girl ngiflopile ngwayenzile amaphutha, I know, and kube ukuthi iphutha lami futhi kube ukuthi nami sengiyaqala ke segiba le interest ko bashimane ngabambitsa uthi okay, as much as lesikhathi benginoSimon bengibiza but bengaphi attention because I know ukuthi nginomubaba umntwana. So now I'm alone, I cannot show me ko rest smoking nangodeng. So like abafana bacala bashow interest yimi, now nami ngaqala ngashow interest back. Or awushozi kube kuqala kwami ke kumosha impilo yami ke lapho. Or awushozi ngicala sengiyadate ke ngidate this other guy aberekanga ayenza isikolo. Or awushozi kube ukuthi umuntu omunye angikhipha ama date wenzani ngesikhathi uSimon angifonela ngaso ukuthi mina ngifasile leso sikhathi I cannot answer the phone, and Simon mntwana uramfonela ifoni ihlala ngianswer each and every day. Uthi ngizakuqamba mama ukuthi no sengijoin study group bengifunda bengifaka ku silent big ko library lulingana nathi lijwa wabona. Uthi uSimon angitshela athi please don't betray me. uSimon angicela athi ngicela ukuthi ngibetray, I trust you with my life, so please ngangibetray. Uthi ngimpromise ukuthi no ngiconcentrate le phela ke tete yaka baningiphase kahle, so ngijoin ama study group ku library. Most of the time angifonela ungangitholi inkinga vani kule. Uthi okay ube umuntu understandayo. Awushozi i2 months idlule vele eze ngapha vele azongibona. Awushozi kube mnandi until out like phela bari nabo webshop ajikeke makajika ngitshela athi next time maka offer like na uzongithumela imali, uzongithumela imali yokubook flight ticket ngize ngakuyi. Okay sharp. Or awushozi ngicontinue phela no brothers uthi brothers uJack uthi ngithole uJack. Or awushozi Jack ungigrab ticket batla. Or awushozi uJack umuntu wazi ukuthi like ngoyena oshitiwa jwang, like uJack you know ukuthi those player guys makathola intombazana esititi wimakhaya ukuthi bazokushita kanjani. Awushozi muthola yo arimothola otlomphika apo re tloya go everywhere o people batla eng people go rekele eng baby tsaya moriri tsaya malala. Uthi remember mina noSimon besibantwana besikolo, so uthi remember phela mina noSimon besibazali bomntwana, so most of le mali besiba nayo beya towards enganeni. So now uJack imali anayo iya towards mina, so ke tlo reka moriri ke tla ira manala di eyelashes ngicoko kahle. Uthi Simon mangifonela every time ka video call uyabona ukuthi hayi man there are a lot of changes la. Wena imali uthatha kuphi? No, like because of now uyasebenza imali engithumela umamncane wakho imali engizenza yona. Ura awushozi like ngiba that it girl uthi uJack ongiphatha kahle ukweqanda. Uthi imoto ngikisa ngori breakfast date ngori dinner or sehamba ngam weekend sokurela di artist bosijava bobang or bophelo bomonate. Ngikhohle ukuthi nginomntwana emakhaya uthi ngikhohle very concentrate ngoJack or I relationship yami no Simon affected, but I had to lie a lot for ukuthi ngicover izinto engizenzayo or awushozi hayi umuntu vele angithumela imali athi you need to fly uze ngale uthi uJack angamtshela ukuthi nginomuntu because most of the time ki alone uyangithola, so now I need to go that side, meaning ukuthi uJack kufanele ukuthi ngisahlale ngisabuyelena ngemo block ke that side or awushozi book a flight ticket ngiyengale ku guy mangifika immediately mangilenda ngiblock uJack ngimblock ngisho ukuthi no ngikithi kunomncwabo so ifone signal kaSilisa sharp or also ngiyafunda ukuba intombazane namanga ngiyengale ku Simon or also article wona uselujola like umuntu lobu umthanda uconcentrate kuyi wathola umuntu omusha athi the feelings of this one they fade away usala nalo because Lu is the new person. What I show you like the way being plan no Simon and concern ngibela snacks because of sithi kwathi lo muntu ongitreat that ngicanda le hot man. Uthi I show you Simon vela pick up ukuthi I'm cheating. But ngingavumi ngiphike uthi awushoza uratana libashimana batropo bobotlhale. Uthi uguy phela ngimblockile angifonela ifuna ingeni. Ngimublockile or uguy vela thathi phone umngani wakhe angifonele or umfonela nakuthi ke wa 11 bushigo uthi ngilele phela ngirelaxile ukuthi uguy ngikaze angithole kulona se relaxile awusijose Robert or ifone ikhali phone my color or immediately my ring or ke bethekele tswala because I know ukuthi mina sibantu abaningi abangifonelayo and umuntu ongifonela ngalesikhathi lesi hayi or awushoza ifone ile uthi Simon abuke athi answer phone yakhe yakhala or awushozi athi you know ukuthi nanoma kusebusuku phone manga answer noma ungathi ubika kukhuluma phansi because of ukuthulile lo muntu okhuluma efonini uyozwakala obvious or awushozi ke hayi how baby kanti ungiblockile ngidrobe yabona ngoba I didn't expect ukuthi umuntu angeke athele uzovela aqale ukuthi how baby kuyona uthi Simon avuke athi wenza ini wenza ini Thabiseni uthi sesacabana lapha yana ngithi hayi wrong number umuntu afone back or Simon banonga angithuthula ifone I answer athi hello Jack athi ngifuna ubhebe ubani wena Simon athi ngibaba ingane yakhe unomuntu onongane uthi kanti wena bufuna ubani yabona because now I was denying the call ukuthi lo muntu angimazi athi kanti wena bufuna ubani uthi asho ngifuna Thabiseni uyintombazane ifunda uthi vele angichaze uthi kanti senathana athi asesinezinyanga eziningi nalo muntu sithandana umuntu wami ura awushozi relationship yami no Simon ke iphele kanjalo kube ukuthi angitshela ukuthi you know what indlela uyithathile indlela yakho mina I'm doing everything for umntwana ukuthi mina nawo sizoba right one day kunyale usigaba bayana baba bangilebana with different fathers. So today when I want disappointer, no it's fine, it's like how it's ring, just know ukuthi mina nawe okusihlanganisile kuphelile. So tomorrow morning pack your things and go back home. What else just here? Ngibathe ngiyancenga ubathe ngiyakhala ubathe ngiyakhala ngithi think about the baby in angitshela athi wena moyenza zonke lezi zinto bongacabanga ngomntwana na or awushoze vele uguy vele angitshela athi kusasa ngicela ukuthi kusasa ekuseni uhambe, here's your money, you can go back uhambe vele umuntu nakho okufunayo because nalo wena dabayina ifedile or awushoze relationship yami no Simon iphele kanjalo ke ekuseni kube ukuthi uguy ngumele ngezinyawo athi ngithi intombazana hamba or awushoze ngikhale ngakhala ngazilahla phansi indaba yamazange basayithatha athi ngithi hamba seyathi fonela umamncane wakhe umtshele everything or awushoze ikatsama usisi uthi sengibuyile ke back eRes mangifavor Res ngitry umcontact someone trying to explain, trying to apologize. Someone angasansara ama calls wami agcina siyangiblock ke uthi awushoze sengibuyile phela kuJack ngiyamfonela uJack angilandelela afike vele angekaka ngithe ukuthi intombazane isidididi intombazane engafihla ukuthi unengane befuthi une boyfriend wayebonga ngitsheli awushoze umuntu angekaka ngitshela indaba zami kube ukuthi mina nayisahlukana ke uthi okay hayi ngizabe ufonela umamncane naye ngiyamfonela akhulume nami kahle first day, khulume nami kahle sikhulume ngimbuza umntwana ngitshela ukuthi umntwana uright in how isikhathi masiya awushoze umamncane mangimfonela angitshela ukuthi uSimon uthi ze yangasakhulumi nami because nezinto sizibangile ngithe ukuthi hayi mina naye silwile kodwa angamelanga ukuthi iaffecte umntwana uyabona. So uthi awushoze hayi mangiphinda futhi ngifonela umamncane manje ngifuna umupdate ukuthi no I'm thinking ukuthi manje ngizothatha umntwana yabona. Umamncane ifoni ungiblockile ifoni asangene ngizame ngenye ifoni ingene ngihawu umamncane wangiblocka no Simon size ngingasakhulumi nawe yena uzokhuluma nawe direct so ngasibona ungasangifonile. Uthi hayi umamncane athi yimi athi no mina uSimon size ngingasakhulumi nawe so wena uzokhuluma naye direct so mina mntwana angifuni ngendaba zenu so please fixani indaba zenu then niciphalana nibe right uzakhuluma nami sen right. Uthi awushozi angiblock vele angiblock everywhere umamncane ngingasakhona ukumthola uSimon ngimfonela uSimon ungiblock everywhere so now these two people abanomntwana angisakhona ukubathola. Usisi uthi awushozi hayi isikhathi sihambeke ngizame vele ucontacta uSimon because I'm looking for the child now and because of asana communication sengiba kupending umuntu ukuthi lo muntu lona mina ngiba ngikwazi so I need to find umntwana. Uthi awushozi ngizama ukufonela umamncane still block inumber yami. Uthi hayi ngimcheck through social media ngimthole ngimtshela ukuthi no I'm looking for the child I understand ukuthi mina nawe sathandana sihlukene but umntwana ungena kuphi endabeni zethu. Uthi awushozi okay angiresponding to social media amfonela tell ukuthi let me call that lady amfonele makangifonela angitshele kahle athi wena umntwana uhluleke ukutshela abazali bakho ukuthi pregnant even your friends they don't know even nabantu ongena nabo like kusikolo ngabatseba ngona how guy so ufihla umntwana ufihlisisa wazi wafihla umntwana ku family yakho so today so ufuna umntwana kanjani because unomntwana ikinabazothi unomntwana so I'm not going to allow you to take my child umntwana mehlala khona akiba zohlakahlakanya ngwana. Or awushozi ngisho ukuthi umuntu uzoyajoke maybe usakwatile uzoba right. Or awushozi I tried ukumcontacta kemurumela even emails now because umuntu ungiblock everywhere. Or awushozi umfana ngamtholi uthi ngithatha ukuthi no what let me go home ngiyochaza istory sami because now ngiyakhona ubona ukuthi le ndaba seyiserious. Or awushozi ngifike ekhaya ngitshela umamncane situation yami naye ngayenzani uthi yo ufike ngitshela mamkhulu sorry uthi yo mamkhulu awushozi or ankomani uthi athi kwabona kuphatha umuntu uyafihlwa athi ntabise angali ukuthi iphuthu ukuthi ube nengane but ngeke uzufihla umntwana ungasitshela ukuthi unomntwana so manje umntwana somthola kanjani. Uthi hayi umamncane athathi umamkhulu athathi phone afonele umamncane kaGayi umamncane kaGayi answer phone amchazela ukuthi ngumamkhulu kaSibanibani sifuna umntwana. Uthi immediately makhuluma ukuthi sifuna umntwana uthi umamncane a drop iphone a block inumber. Or awushozi bano asakhona ucontacta umamncane asakhona ukucontacta ubaba wengane. Uthi okay ngihambe ke nomamkhulu police station sovula iqhala lokuthi umntwana ukignejiwe umntwana abasafuna umntwana bangibuze kahle police station ukuthi umntwana manihamba bekwi agreement yenu nanethu sivumelana ngivume ngithi yebo savumelana mina noba umntwana ukuthi umntwana uhlala ngale umntwana amaphepha unawo ukuthi uphume la ecountry bafuna ngithi yebo kunawo so wena ubanikeza permission ukuthi umntwana ahlale. Uthi ngichaza istory sami uthi amaphoyisa bathi you know what sisi when you need to contact ama family members ikalo lesi family nikhulume because lento le thina ngeke sithi kidnapping because of ngwana ufile abuti ongwana ufile ngothu all the rights etjangwana so like now indaba isele ngaku awushozi possession like azange bangiphilo sizo bengicabanga ukuthi bazongipha lona. So now I mean I've never been outside the country Gibogai. I've never been Gibogai angwazi Gibogai I only know igama lala village laba bahlala ngakhona phela ukuthi which side I don't know anything. Or awushozi ona no ngawubotshora ki 5 years kawufela ngwana kamona I don't have any contact no baba komntwana even nomamncane angakhulumanga nabo anything ever since ngwana wakho utsamayile awushozi akitsebe hore ngwana waphila or ngwana aphila. Uthi now inkinga ngenayo ne awushozi mangilele I feel ukuthi umntwana wami ushonile but I'm not sure or maybe ki feeling ya hore now singamdinga umntwana angazi. Uthi mangalala awushozi whether is during the day or ebusuku mangalala ngiba naleli phupho lokuthi ngilele ngisekithe down room uthi ngilele like kuqwa sello salisi athi umntwana masesemncane asakhala asasemncane asakhala uthi ngazizwa like ngiyayizwa like sound umntwana khalayo uthi ngiyavuka ngiyangasekamareni mangifika ekamareni ngiyayibona ingubo yomntwana embedeni uthi mangifika uthi like ephupheni mangithi ngiyafika ngiyovula ingubo umntwana akunamntwana ngiyaphapha each and every time angifika kuleyo party ngiyaphapha or I was like I'm so stranded ke batla ngwana waka. But I don't know what to do because of I made those choices ngisesemncane thinking ukuthi I'm protecting myself from ihlazo only for me ukuthi ngiyaseta up ukuthi umntwana ngingasamboni or ashoza ngakutshela ukuthi umntwana since ngamgcina ana 1 year 2 months at until today umntwana ngambonanga. So it's been 5 years full angina contact baba kwingane umamncane nomntwana uthi angazi ukuthi ngayenza kanjani. So abantu abasithola kusimo sami please advise me ukuthi from here ngayenza kanjani. Hayi Jesus, hayi kunzima eSouth Africa guys. Abantu abanolwazi ukuthi usesangayenza kanjani please advise ukuthi angayenza kanjani because now yazi ibhlungu indaba yakhe cabanga ngazi ukuthi unengane angali ukuthi ufihlile the whole time ukuthi unomntwana but wazi ukuthi unengane uyakwazi ukuzala yazi labor ward but umntwana akekho dololo. Sure. Hi guys, and sisi. Bye guys.